Here we take a look at Thomas Rhett's growing family as the couple welcomes daughter number 3. Lennon Love was born on Monday, February 10th and is just 2 days old in these first precious photos. Thomas Rhett is now 29 years old and wife Lauren is 30 as they become proud parents of Lennon Love. Lennon Love Akins is already highly photogenic. She weighed in at 9 pounds and 2 ounces. She was born at 8:30 a.m. on Monday and she has dark hair and blue eyes. Mother Lauren and baby Lennon are doing just great. Baby Lennon joins her 2 big sisters, Ada James and Willa Gray. Willa Gray is the oldest daughter at 4 years old and 3 months. Ada James now becomes the middle daughter at just 2 years, 5 months old. Next up, we take a look at the relationship journey of this loving couple. Thomas and Lauren had a long journey to the altar. The couple first met in the 1st grade in Valdosta, Georgia. They actually dated briefly at 15 years old and it didn't work out. They decided to remain friends through high school and both headed off to separate colleges, and after college, the couple got back together. Thomas and Lauren married in October of 2012 and the couple has been together now for 7 years. Lauren was doing charity work in Uganda and she fell in love with a baby named Willa Gray. After a lot of legal hurdles and adoption work, the couple finally welcomed Willa Gray home to the United States at 18 months old. Ada James was born back in August of 2017. It's been fun watching the adorable sisters grow up together, and next we take a look at some of their travel adventures. The family had a blast while visiting Australia. Willa Gray and Ada James had their very own Sesame Street experience. The couple shared this adorable photo from their family ski trip. Thomas Rhett does a great job of bonding with Willa Gray. The couple also has 2 dogs, Kona and Cash. This couple is always on the go and seeking new adventures. We look forward to plenty more adventures as this becomes a family of 5. Remember to share this update with other fans of this adorable family. Subscribe to the Country Fancast channel on YouTube for future country music news updates.